Thanks, man. Okay, guys, so we're trying the turkey dinner. The turkey dinner. Let's see if it's any good.
Did it taste a little funny? Why are you laughing?
Pretty good.
Does it taste like turkey?
Mm-hmm.
What else does it taste like?
Let me think. It has so many flavors. It has chicken.
It does not have chicken. Best food reviewer ever.
I know, right?
These little pieces of chicken in my turkey dinner.
It has tomatoes.
No, it doesn't.
Mmm.
Can you say the flavors are melting on your tongue?
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Do you mean tongue, tongue?
Yeah, my tongue, sore.
Boy, TS looks so unappetizing.
Mmm.
Tongue.
So
What's that
good.
green thing, Nathan? Can you taste it and tell the audience what it tastes like?
Yes.
Taste it!
Okay, jeez. Mmm.
Good goy. Eat your goy slop.
Oh yeah, I forgot to review this green stuff.
What's it taste like?
It looks like celery.
Are you gonna say the noodles are tapeworms?
Guys, I'm eating tapeworms, not clickbait, by the way.
I think I see them wriggling in there.
See? They're wiggling. Wiggle, wiggle, they're wiggling.
Can I see you wiggle? Keep doing that. So, give it a rating out of 10.
This?
Yes.
6, 7.
Do the hand motions.
6, 7.
Good boy. Take one last bite for the outro.
Okay.
Yeah!